Hi everyone, Jungah here. For today's topic, I'll be talking about saying please help me in Korean. There are several ways you can express please help me in Korean. The version you will use will depend on the situation and to whom you're talking. I'll explain the three most common ways of saying this. The first is when asking for help in a formal situation. In this case, you can use the expression 도와주시겠어요? For example, if you're asking for directions from an older person in the street, you might start by saying 실례합니다. 좀 도와주시겠어요? This sentence means, excuse me, can you help me please? This version of the phrase is a question, so make sure to end it with an upward intonation. The second way of asking for help is 도와주세요. This phrase is the most common way of asking for help. 도와주세요 is the standard form, which means it is polite and works in almost every situation. It is not a question, so you can say it as a normal sentence. The third way to say this is the informal version, 도와줘. You may use this if you're speaking to a close friend. For example, if you're lifting something heavy and want help from your friend, you might call out, 도와줘! So, to wrap up, you can say 도와주시겠어요? 도와주세요, and 도와줘 when you're asking for help from someone. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll get notifications of our future videos. Bye for now!